All right, we're all graded up, stripped out. We spread some rock. Homeowner had some more white rock delivered. Got that all spread in for him. Everything's graded around here. Here's the pad. Turned out nice. Everything's pitched the way it should be. See you on the next one. All right, guys. We're downtown Rensselaer, New York. What we got here is an abandoned church that needs serious repair. The city has given a red flag on the property because there's tenants that live over in these sections. It's unsafe. So this is an emergency. It needs to get done ASAP. We put a bid on it and it got awarded it. So basically, that chimney right there, and if you look below it, the whole wall's buckled out and it's falling down, and that chimney's just about to come down into the yard. So we got to rebuild or stabilize. We don't even know yet because we haven't been up there. But the problem is there's no access to get in this whole place. We got garage here, and all in front is blocked in, so it's like a courtyard down in here. So we either got a scaffold up or get a crane and boom a lift over and down in. I haven't figured out what we're gonna do yet, but we got to repoint all this on these sides of the chimney here, and there's some other spots that are bad, but we'll take a walk in and take a look at it. And here's the tools for the job today. You got a set of Leopold binoculars to get a good look up there. We got the GoPro. We got a range finder so we can range how high the chimney is to see what type of lift we need, and scaffolding, and a Mavic Pro drone, which we will fly up around the roof line to see if there's any hatches or anything we could get up in there. So stay tuned and we'll take you on the tour. So here's on the back side of the alleyway. You can see on the left and the right of the chimney going up, the bricks are really deteriorated and gone. So we gotta tooth all that out and fix that in. And the only problem is this garage is right in the way, and I see a tarp on it, so I imagine the roof isn't safe to scaffold off of. So we may have to take this fence down, clear off landing here for a lift to go in, and we could boom on up over to here on both sides and repair that and fix that. That's one section that needs to be done. So this is our only access in here. So obviously you see we can't fit nothing in here. It's 3 feet, any type of lift or anything. And here's the courtyard. That's the back side of the garages. So we'd have to boom something in here. And here's a big pile of bricks. So it goes to show you, all them bricks come right out all the way up, and we got a hanging wall above our head. Right down there's an old window. We'd brick that right in. But that ain't the major problem. Right here above is all blown out, and that's all the support of that chimney, which is leaning into this yard, which is the reason why the city had shut this location down. We have Miko just ranging it right now. He's going to range it with a rangefinder to get us our height on that, which goes in yards. So what do we got?
12 yards.
We got 12 yards, 3 foot in a yard, so we got 36 feet to the top of that roof. So that lets us know how much scaffold we need. And then we have another blowout. Well, there's several up in there, but we're addressing a couple. There's a brick there starting to come out, but the main part is there. And like I said, it's even dangerous just taking this video under here because bricks keep falling down daily, they're saying. So the problem is scaffolding this and then having that chimney come down, which is 2,000-3,000 pounds, and just take the scaffold down and whoever's on it. So that's why I would like to have a lift and attack it from the side. But we'll get the drone in the air and we'll take a closer look up on top to see if there's any hatches on the roof or whatnot. And there you go, there's pigeons going in and out of that hole, which is going to make it very unsafe. So we have to do something about that too. All right, guys, so here is the alleyway again, and just filming from in here because it's starting to rain. So we're gonna attack this project. I'm probably gonna get a lift for that part on the back side of the chimney in the alleyway, you know, because this block building, the roof is too unstable. It's been leaking and we can't scaffold up on it. But the other part, we're gonna attempt to scaffold up, and hopefully we'll do that this week. I don't know, we're supposed to get rain all week, so we'll see what happens on this project. But this is a job that we did get awarded, and the city wants that chimney down as quick as possible, or stabilized, you know, repair the bottom of it so the top is fine. I don't see it leaning too much. I did see a roof hatch that we can get out, but again, it's just like teeter-tottering, and it's not a good scenario. That's why I'm kind of leery on scaffolding. So I'm gonna do a little more research on trying to get a boom lift in here, see what it's gonna cost to have a crane company come and boom it in up between these two buildings and down into the courtyard. The only issue is we got power lines. I don't know if you can see them, but we got power lines all right here, and that otherwise I would just boom from the road. I'd get a 125-foot lift, but these power lines out here are just in the way, and then we'd be blocking the road, so that's really not an option. So we're gonna do a little more due diligence and wait for the pest control company to give us a report on these pigeons and critters. There's so much stuff going on in this abandoned building, so I really don't feel it's safe enough for us to work, because that's the main access of the point that these critters are going in and out, and these pigeons are ruthless. They will blow you off the scaffold. So not gonna go down that road. All right, we'll keep you posted.